All right, we finished up here at our project in Scottsdale. Our client here called us in to run some new irrigation and to move the roof water off this big giant roof into her food forest that she's been planting on both sides of the yard. Not for right now, I'll show you the east side. She already had all these beautiful trees. Well done, incredible fruit. We even got to enjoy some of her mid-pride peaches that that she was harvesting. And we came in and dished this area out. Now you can't really tell, but underneath this mulch, we've excavated kind of in the lanes between the trees, extra soil excavation so that water now can flow through here. Now, granted, on the top layer, it looks like it's flat, but the clay soil is contoured as such to move the water here from the pop-up drain. You can see it coming right there. And then right here, you can't see it, but there's a gray water coming from their washing machine at a pipe and with a drain on it, and a graded drain, and it's coming out into here. So every time they're washing their clothes, it's pooling up in here. And I just checked it out this morning, and the soil's nice and moist under there. And then there's the rain pop up coming from this gutter. There was another downspout. Most gutter guys tend to put a lot of downspouts, and so we closed up the one downspout here, as you can see, and then reset the old gutter because she already had the gutters to pitch it back towards the house. And then you can see that there. It's going to then go into here, down and over, and under there into the pop-up. Then we also have sheet flow coming off of their garage that just comes straight off here, and we ramped it. You might not be able to see, but we ramped up the soil here. So when that water hits, then it comes into the orchard as well. So this area gonna catch hundreds of gallons of water. Almost positive that's about a 2,000 square foot catchment. So, we're talking 1,200 gallons every inch. This whole backyard sheet flows down into here. And what we did before, it used to go out that way. So instead we put a little bit of we recontoured here to keep the soil in the middle here. And then our border is actually pretty low right here. It's full of rock. And so that when the water hits the rock, it can still infiltrate into our basin. And then the basin's much lower. The ultimate overflow will be over here when this whole basin fills up. The low point's right here. Again, hard to see, but before we put all the mulch and the rock back, you could really see it. So then the ultimate overflow will be the pre-existing drainage from before we even showed up. We installed a little water spigot there always really nice to have a hose bib near your orchard or your garden areas, and ran new irrigation using that swing pipe. Oh, we also have, forgot over here, this little wall planter with the mulberry and pomegranates. Just really nice, well done, with nice rock work by our guys. This is the Table Mesa Brown riprap. So here we go, there's the east side.